Krylon Automotive Undercoating provides rust resistance and protection for your vehicle. This product has a flexible and paintable finish. When completing a project, always spray in a well-ventilated area. Before beginning, gather your supplies. It is important to prep your vehicle to ensure that Krylon Automotive Undercoating properly adheres. First, clean the wheel well using a pressure washer to remove any dirt and debris. Remove any loose rust or paint on the surface with a wire brush. Next, use a scuff pad on the inside of the wheel well. Then clean the surface with a wax and grease remover. In order to protect from overspray, use a trash bag and painter's tape to cover the wheel. Shake the can well before starting to spray. It is always a good idea to test on a piece of cardboard before spraying on your vehicle. Hold Krylon Automotive Undercoating 12 to 16 inches away from the surface for a smooth and even application. Move the can back and forth across the wheel well, overlapping each pass. Once complete, allow the wheel well to cure for a minimum of 24 hours. After the paint is cured, remove the tape and trash bag. Krylon Automotive helps repair and maintain your vehicle. Visit Krylon.com for more information.